Have you ever felt distracted, unfocused, or even down? The answer is simpler than you think. Sometimes problems are just caused by your posture. Today, let's dive into a fascinating experiment to uncover how good posture can transform your mental performance and emotions. Posture is not just about how you look. It's deeply connected to your mental health and cognitive performance. Research shows that good posture can improve focus, enhance memory, and even boost your mood. According to a survey done by Zhejiang University, researchers suggest that the increase of mind-wandering in lying posture may due to the dysfunction of executive control, which also results in the redistribution of cognitive resources. Our experiment aims to investigate how posture affects the mental performance of Hong Kong students. By comparing attention levels and emotional responses in different postures, we will uncover the relationship between posture and mental performance. To further understand public perceptions, we first conducted a survey on people's opinions regarding posture and mental performance. Let's see what they shared.
I think posture is a way our bodies do when we're like standing, sitting, walking like that.
Your body position when you're sitting or standing or walking.
Sit up straight, or like you stand up very properly, like in a good way, and then you can use the correct muscles.
Like keep your backbone straight and you use the correct muscle when you're doing, like when you're sitting, you use the correct muscle when you're walking.
Surely yes, like we sit more straightly, we can focus more while we are studying, but if we are not sitting very straight, we are quite distracted sometimes or cannot focus really well.
Yeah, sure. Because like when I'm like studying and I still sit like this, and I will just feel like I'm not concentration, and this will affect how I study.
Now, let's conduct an experiment to test the influence of different postures.
We invited our volunteers to act as our test subjects. They are divided into 3 groups. Group A, sit straight up. Group B, slouch. Group C, place their heads down their desks. What we need are a newspaper article, a set of pencils and a lined paper for each volunteer. At the beginning of the test, we are going to read a newspaper article to 3 groups of test subjects. They are going to listen carefully to the article with 3 different postures. Volunteers have to answer 8 questions about the article. Half of them are general and half are detailed. We are trying to evaluate their level of attention with the results. Based on their accuracy, we may be able to figure out how this posture affects the concentration of volunteers. Here comes the results. Let's see how they performed.
From the results, we can see 3 groups performed similar in the test. In the general questions part, 3 groups performed very close. And in the detailed questions part, Group A performs better than the others. The accuracy of Group A is better than the overall average accuracy of 3 groups. Although we cannot observe an obvious divergence between 3 groups' performance. From the feelings shared by the test subjects after the test, they prefer sitting straight up to finish the test rather than the other postures. The sharing from Group B and Group C show that although they can finish the test accurately, but it's difficult to focus on the article and believe they could did better if they are in the right postures.
For this experiment, we confirm a slightly positive impact of group's posture on mental performance. A better performance than students on the in-detail questions. A good posture could affect the concentration on detail. However, some limitations has been shown in the experiment. The participants' performance may be affected by other factors, such as the English levels, the experiment environment, and the sleep quality before the test. Also, the data volume was inadequate as there were only 12 volunteers. Where these limitations may have influenced our result, they highlight the need of further research with a larger sample size and control variable. good posture isn't just about how you sit, it's the first step towards success. The detail determines success or failure. Let's start paying attention to our posture today and take a step towards a healthier, more productive life. So, straighten up, take a breath, and embrace the power of good posture.